Is it the right time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? Welcome back. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into Microsoft stock. We've already shared an initial report on our website, but now we're here to provide you with even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest analysis. Staying updated is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4. Visit StockInvest.us and tap into the power of AI to get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from January 8, 2024, our system has identified Microsoft as a promising investment opportunity, giving it a score of 4.63. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a positive growth of 7.76%. This means that since it was touted as a buy candidate, Microsoft has been delivering an average daily return of 0.43%. The stock is currently experiencing a weak rising trend in the short term, indicating a potential further increase within this trend. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 9.8% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging from 2.95% to 11.91%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 42.7% change over the next year. This implies a potential return between 25.19% and 45.32%. In terms of price, it could reach anywhere from $505.49 to $586.76 after 12 months. Our latest daily update for Microsoft brings exciting news. Microsoft stock has been upgraded from hold/accumulate to buy candidate after Thursday's trading session. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, February 1, 2024, the Microsoft stock price experienced a gain of 1.56%. It rose from $397.58 to $403.78. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $401.82 and a high of $407.98, with a 1.53% difference. It's worth noting that the price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and has seen a 2.52% increase over the past 2 weeks. On the last day, the volume of shares traded fell by 18 million, with a total of 29 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $11.77 billion. It's important to consider that a decrease in volume on higher prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of possible changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the stock reached was $415.31, while the lowest price was $245.61. Currently, the price stands at 2.78% below the 52-week high, amounting to $11.53 difference. It's interesting to note that this price also represents the all-time high for the stock. Today, let's talk about some recent analyst ratings for Microsoft Corporation. On Wednesday, January 31, 2024, William Blair gave Microsoft a rating of outperform with a recommendation to hold. On the same day, BMO Capital also gave Microsoft an outperform rating with a recommendation to hold. Another report came from RBC Capital, which gave Microsoft an outperform rating with a recommendation to hold. Barclays, on the other hand, gave Microsoft an overweight rating with a recommendation to hold. Lastly, Wedbush gave Microsoft an outperform rating with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have given Microsoft stock a general rating of strong buy. They highly recommend buying the stock based on its PE ratio and price to book, both of which are rated as strong buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts also give Microsoft stock a strong buy rating. Let's take a look at the signals for Microsoft stock. Currently, the short-term moving average indicates a sell signal, while the long-term average suggests a buy signal. This means that although there is some short-term caution, the overall outlook for the stock is positive. If the stock continues to rise, it may face resistance around $404.43 from the short-term moving average. On the other hand, if it falls, it could find support around $383.78 from the long-term average. Breaking above the short-term average would indicate a buy signal, while breaking below the long-term average would indicate a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, indicates a buy signal. It's worth noting that despite the stock's price gains, the trading volume has decreased, creating a divergence between volume and price. This may serve as an early warning and requires careful monitoring. Some negative signals have emerged, which could impact the stock's near-term performance. For instance, a sell signal was triggered by a pivot top point on Monday, January 29, 2024, resulting in a minus 1.45% decline. It is anticipated that the stock will continue to decline until a new bottom pivot is identified. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. When it comes to the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level at $377.44 and $370.73. Testing a support level always comes with some natural risk. If the stock breaks this support, it may fall to the next level. In the case of Microsoft, the next support from accumulated volume would be at $377.44, followed by $370.73 and $369.67. Now, let's assess the risk. This stock typically has average movements during the day in good trading volume, making the risk level medium. Looking at the last day, the stock had a $6.16 difference between its high and low, which accounts for a 1.53% variation. Over the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.01%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Microsoft's PE ratio falls within the normal range, which is often seen in companies with established track records and steady revenues. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for April 23, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $404.87. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be beneficial to wait for this level to be breached before considering entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading opportunities. On the downside, Microsoft encounters its first support level at $377.44. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point to anticipate a potential rebound in the stock. According to multiple analyst sources, Microsoft has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On January 16, 2024, Hoya LSL sold a total of 197,512 shares of common stock. On December 26, 2023, Hogan Kathleen T. sold 120 shares of common stock. On December 15, 2023, Hoya LSL sold 264,433 shares of common stock. On December 14, 2023, Warrior Padmashri bought 858 shares of restricted stock units. On December 14, 2023, Warrior Padmashri bought 277 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is positive at 8.661. Overall, insiders have purchased a total of 397,455 shares and sold 329,274 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $389.19, which represents a decrease of 3.61%. This stock tends to have moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 3 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, it appears that Microsoft stock presents a buying opportunity in the short term. The overall trend is positive, with several short-term signals indicating potential growth. Therefore, we have upgraded our evaluation from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Upon examining the volatility and movements of the stock over the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Friday, February 2nd, we anticipate Microsoft stock to open up $0.747 and begin trading at $404.53. Before we dive into the content, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. To make informed decisions, it's advisable to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to StockInvest. Today, we're going to discuss our current view of the stock. We value your input, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We hope you have a successful trading day and enjoy the rest of your day. Warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.